Hello class, this is Professor Jared Kamen. I'm your instructor for Machining 1319, Manufacturing and Materials Processes. This is an introduction video for the submodule Introduction to Machining 1319. You can find this submodule in the first week module, going from dates April 13th to April 19th. And this first week actually contains three submodules. The first is this one, just an introduction. And then the second module is over measurement and inspection. The third module will be over properties of metals. And then the last module is a review for the test of all the material that you've learned beforehand. So I'm going to scroll down and talk about this introduction. Usually at the beginning of each module, I'll have some summary of what that module is about. And then you will find these words, here's what you do. You want to pay attention to these words because they tell you a step-by-step actions to complete all the assignments that are necessary for this module. In this case, you want to click and watch the introduction video, which is what you're doing right now, and then you want to click on and complete the student contact info assignment. As I scroll down here, you can see the student contact info assignment. You can see that Dropbox folder. You can also see the dates that it's due and then the dates that it ends. Remember, this end date is 1 day after the due date, and it covers the extra day in which you can turn in an assignment late. There are some other ways in which you can find out the due dates of different assignments, and that's by scrolling up and clicking here, the course schedule. Your course schedule will contain all of your assignments. Here's upcoming. I can also click full schedule here to show me everything that's going to be available, and that's there throughout the entire course that you can see. Another way to see the assignments is if you go to the main homepage of the Machining 1319 course, you can see announcements, but look to the right and you can see a calendar right here that lists the upcoming events. And if you press this arrow, you can see a calendar and there's dots on places where things are due. So you have multiple places where you can determine the due dates of all the assignments, which is very, very important for an online course. Going back to that module for the introduction, let's see, right here. Okay. The next thing that you want to do after completing the student contact info is to read through the first 4 pages of the syllabus and take the syllabus quiz. I scroll down again here, you see the syllabus is right here. It's a Word document. You can download that or view it on D2L. And then I have a syllabus quiz here that you can take on D2L also. It's due again on April 20th. You have your due date, you have when it starts, and you also have when it ends for that late date. Then the last thing is you want to post to the discussion, how are you doing and how are you feeling about taking your in-person class in an online format. Here is that discussion topic. Click on it and it will take you directly to where that discussion is. Please go ahead and submit a post and then also reply to other students' posts, which will make it more of a discussion. This introduction module was designed to make you go through the activities that I'll have you doing for the rest of the online course. So if you can do all these activities, then you'll have no problem completing all the assignments for this course. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. And you can also, if you like, set up a video conference for more explanation. Thank you very much.